Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video, we're going to be talking about how much does my econ cost? Because you've probably been seeing a couple different prices, and it's probably a little bit confusing. So what I want to do here in this video is I want to clear that up, and then most importantly, I want to show what you're actually getting when you decide to lock arms with my econ. All right, so without further ado, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also tick that bell icon so that anytime I release any new videos, you get them automatically right here on the channel. All right, so with that being said, we're going to go ahead and jump right into today's content. So as you can see here on my screen, I'm on the My Econ home page. Okay, and then you can actually see my picture right here. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to the product page, and I'm going to show you the things when you decide to lock arms with my econ. And we're going to go over the pricing here in a minute, but I want to show you what it is that you're actually going to get. Okay, so when I go over here to products, all right, so as you can see, tons of products that my econ actually offers. But I want to show you the things that you're going to actually get access to when you decide to pay the price that I want to show you here in a minute, okay? All right, so first things first, you're going to get the cash flow manager. Now, what is the cash flow manager? The cash flow manager is for tracking your expenses as a business owner. Now, when you decide to lock arms with my econ, you now have what we call a sole proprietorship, okay? Because you filled out an application with my econ, that allows my econ to be your business, and it allows you to write off expenses as a business owner. Okay, now that's for tracking your expenses, making sure that you have proof. So let's say, for instance, right, you're when it comes around tax time, you have all the proof. It's just like a QuickBooks, just to kind of give a comparison. That's what this is. Okay, it's pretty powerful though, and I actually just used it to put all my taxes and all my stuff together. So it's pretty powerful. I've been using my econ since 2018. So since I've been around, for that long, it must have a ton of value for me. Besides me actually making income with it. Okay. All right. So that's the cash flow manager, tracking expenses, and basically putting you in a position where you don't get audited or anything like that. All right. All right. So the My Credit system. Okay. Now the My Credit system, not only does it allow you to with the cash flow manager to track your expenses and stay ahead on things, now you're going to be able to build your credit by yourself. Okay, you're going to be able to do all of those things instead of having to hire, a company to pay hundreds or even in some cases thousands of dollars to do it. You're going to have the My Credit system, literally step-by-step videos. There's 11 modules, 10 are actually credit, and the 11th module, it actually shows you how to get more money back onto your paycheck, okay, at your job. All right, so that's what the My Credit system is going to do. You're also going to get discount travel. Okay, now that's pretty clear right there. You're going to get cheaper travel, so you're going to save money there. All right, the credit monitoring, it's inside of there, but the credit monitoring, it's a little bit more, it's more additional. So I wouldn't necessarily say that it's in your income shifting membership. Okay, so far, cash flow manager, My Credit system, discounts on travel, the cashback mall. So if you're already shopping online, like if you're shopping on Amazon or any online stores, why not actually shop and get cash back from your earnings? So basically what it is you have your own store, and as you're purchasing, you're going to get cash back, and then my econ is going to pay you that cash back from the vendors that they use. And it's most of the ones that you're using already, such as Walmart and etc. Right, a whole bunch of other different stores out there that partner with my econ and then allows my econ to pay you. Okay, and the other thing that is with it is more tax record and bookkeeping, because that's very important as a business owner. And without learning those things, you're putting yourself in a position where you may get an audit if you don't understand how these things work. Okay, so that's very important. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna actually log in into my account and then show you some of these things a little bit more clear. All right, so here we go. This is the Income Shifting membership, their flagship product, and as I was just showing you, I just kind of want to give you a quick view of what it would look like inside. So this is everything you would get in the membership. So there's the My Credit System, as I told you. There's the Cash Flow Manager to track your expenses. Here's the Discount Travel. Now this debt elimination calculator is powerful because what it does is you lay in all of your debt. All right, and then you put the percentages that you're paying in interest. Then you put what you're paying monthly, right? And then what it does is it puts together, it gives you a process to pay off all your debt in the fastest time possible. Okay, so that's a very powerful tool. I still use that tool, and I used it early on as well. Got rid of some things, just some other things that I got working right now, but I'm using these things more as an investment, right? So I'm still tracking them though. So it's a pretty powerful tool. As I said, the Cashback Mall, you can do your shopping and earn cash back from what you're spending money on anyway. This video right here, back in 2018 of June, that video is what put an extra $7,200 back into my salary on my job. Now, that's not with any business income. That's just implementing one strategy that literally, if you're somebody watching this video right now and you have a 9-to-5 job and you live in America, you could benefit from this video right here. It will help you put in additional. I'm not gonna make any number preferences because references because I know it varies for everybody. But for me personally, I was able to put an extra $600 extra per month back into my paycheck on my job, which is an extra $7,200 every single year. Okay, all right, so that's what that video allow you to do. The financial freedom video. So if you want to learn how to invest, right, stocks, bonds, ETFs, and there's many more, right? You want to learn a little bit more about the 401k. You want to learn how you can start, well, I can't even think of the fund right now, but it's going to teach you investing. Okay, so that's where you can start to make your money make more money, which is entirely the goal long term. Okay, and then as I talked about, which wasn't actually on the product screen necessarily, the tax record keeping videos. Very important here to keep up, do good bookkeeping. It's very important to do that, right? All right, because you don't want any audits, you don't want all this other stuff, this scary stuff that probably has you like, I don't want to have to deal with that, right? Well, that's where the tax record keeping videos come in, because it's going to teach you a little bit more about that cash flow manager. Okay, so that's what you're getting access to. Everything you see here is the same thing you will have when you actually decide to get your MyEcon membership. Now, let's go over here to the price so you can see exactly how much MyEcon costs, because I know that's why you came here in the first place. So if I click here and I hit join now, you're going to see it says your sponsor, Rakeem Addison. And then as I told you, you're going to have to fill out first name, last name, fill out your information and so on and so on. And then you see right here, it says $49.95. Okay, so right next to that, you see $99.95. So the regular price for MyEcon is $99.95. That's the initial startup price. Now pay attention here. It says after that, you're going to pay $49.95 monthly, okay? And then remember, I said I was going to talk about what it is that you're paying for, because most times people want to know what it is they're paying for. So in a monthly website management, so they're managing a website for you, okay? And that's going to allow you to actually earn money on the business side with MyEcon. So they're managing that website for you on a monthly basis. So that gives you a website, okay? And then right here it says the technology fee of $34.95 beginning 30 days from the date of your enrollment. So every 30 days, they're going to take $34.95 per month. Okay, when you add all that up for the entire year, that's $419. Now, remember, That's for the year. Now remember, I said I got an extra $600 into my paycheck. Times 12 is $7,200. So if I'm only paying $419 for the year for my econ, and I earned an extra $7,200, that's way more than 419. So it's almost like I have a free business. Not even almost. I have a free business here. Okay. All right. So here we go. $49.95 is a special that they're doing right now, but the regular price is $99.95. So if you wanted to get enrolled with my econ for $49.95 versus $99.95, which I still believe that it's worth it because of all, not only it's brought me more income in my job, more income, as a business owner. So it's a very valuable system, whether you're using it to build the business or you're using it to use the cash flow strategies. Okay. Very powerful system. All right. So this is a special price and it's at a limited time. So if you wanted to get started at that price right there, I don't know exactly when they're going to change that price back to the $99.95, when it'll go back to the regular price. But if you wanted to get started with my econ today, I highly recommend you click the first link in the description. Get signed up. I got all my contact information down below in the description, so you can just shoot me over a message or give me a call, and I can help you get through the onboarding process. Okay, so hopefully this video right here was valuable and it helped you. And if it did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. It definitely helps the video. Also, drop me a comment down below letting me know if this was helpful. And like I said, if you want to get started, click that first link in the description, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.